Well, it's not just France then that's been battling dangerous fires this week. Today, the Prime Minister of Spain, Pedro Sanchez, has visited the scene of one of the country's deadliest wildfires in recent history. It claimed 13 lives and razed over 7,000 hectares of land last week.
There was talk of prevention. Indeed, we must not only react when these fires occur, we must also take preventative action. For example, we must take preventative measures by securing and establishing perimeter zones around municipal areas. Courses and training programs are already being rolled out in schools, particularly for young people, though not exclusively, on how to respond to fires and civil protection emergencies, which are unfortunately becoming increasingly common.
Let's hear a bit more then from our correspondent, Sarah Morris. She tells us just how quickly that fire spread.
7,000 hectares were ravaged in this forest fire in Almeria, and the firefighters have been telling us just how fast it moved. It moved in some cases at 100 kilometers per minute. They saw it really running a marathon through the land and by those homes. We've had some good news in that some of those people, 1,600 people, had to be evacuated, and most of them have been able to return to their homes. They're finding devastating scenes, and they're worried, obviously, about pets and whether their homes have been affected. In many cases, they're telling us that their homes have been saved, and they feel lucky to be alive because, as you say, the 13th victim was claimed by this fire when a 93-year-old British woman didn't survive her injuries. She was in quite an ill state of health, say the authorities, and with those 20% burns that she suffered, unfortunately, she did not pull through. 10 people have been officially reported as missing. They have been to the police station, their family members, to report them as missing. And obviously the terrible human toll from this fire is going to be counted and for years to come, clearly.